Well, I got one more floor to do. This is the kitchen floor. Already got the first coat on. I've got a second coat to put on here, and I'm going to do it just like I showed you in the bathroom. You know, cutting around everything. Not really going to take me that long to do this. No, it looks like a fairly nice kitchen area, right? You know, maybe 10 minutes and I'll be done. It cracks me up. Some people just don't give themselves enough credit. They just don't think they can do stuff like this. Well, if you're an average Joe, that's all you gotta be. That's all I am, an average Joe. And if I can do it, yes, you can do it. Start doing a few things. You want to save some money around the house. You want to make things look nicer. Start doing some of these nice little easy projects that I showed you on my channel. You know, this floor was pretty dirty when I started. It's going to look almost like it's brand new when it's done. You know, over the course of 2 days, cleaning one day, sealing 2 coats the next day, I'm doing now. Letting it dry a 3rd day, and voila, presto, you've got a nice new looking floor. This condo is almost 10 years old. The floor sure doesn't look it, does it? I've already cut in around on the first coat with the paintbrush and everything. I don't need to do that again. And this thing is just looking sharp. And without that much effort, really, I tell you. You know, it gives you a nice little workout too. Now see, stuff in the lines, I'm not even going to worry about that. It's going to dry. It's going to dry clear. Right? And I try to put on about the same amount of sealer each time. I could extend this over another tile and press down and get a little bit more, but I just dip and go some more. I've got the same evenness on the tiles, okay? Dipping, putting a little more. Same evenness on the tiles. You hear a repetition there? That's all it is. A little practice with the paint roller, and you're set to go. Okay? Yeah. We're gonna keep the video camera rolling. Here, where the refrigerator is, I'm just going to get a little closer, you know, so I'm going to open that, put that down in there a little. There. Just going underneath the toe kick a little bit. I don't need to go all the way, you know. Getting all the traffic area, pattern areas, and all that. With all of my previous explanations, you'll be fine. You know? Again, I say, If you were watching my previous video, do you remember? There was a big old fat mark right here. You can't see it now, can you? I fixed that. Something you may never have thought possible that you could use. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I am not going to tell you what it is on this video. You'll have to look at my other video for that and see what I used. Something anybody can have, and it was free. And I did it in a jiff. Snap. That's all it took for that. And it looks perfect, actually. Blends right in. Happy with that. Yeah, look, had a big old nasty mark there from before. Because the tile, sometimes the top of these stone floors can crack off and flake off, almost like slate. You know, this isn't slate though, but sometimes it'll come off. Ooh, see what I did? Look at that. It flipped up right there because I was going too fast and I hit an edge here and it flew it. So sometimes that happens. Just have to be kind of careful of that. I should have went a little bit slower up against the refrigerator. You know, thinking, oh, it's not going to happen this time. It did. And I wiped it off. Just wipe things off. Be aware of stuff as you go. You know, that's all. Okay. Now, I'm going to do this next section right here. And if you place your container strategically, I've only moved the container 3 times, my paint tray container 3 times so far for this entire room. And I can see where I need to go. I'm getting the full damn coat on there. It's going to take you a while just to get used to your roller, and how much to put on, and how hard to press down on it and stuff. I couldn't do this on the first coat, could I? Because if I would do it this way, it wouldn't get in all the grooves, the grab lines. Okay, see now, I can just leave my paint tray exactly where it is. And I'm going to do this whole other area, all the way down. Get you backed up here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, you can see this here. I'm just going to leave the paint tray right there, see? And I'll just keep working my magic on down this way. Make myself an imaginary line right there. That's all. Further, I'm going to come out this way. Because I still have to have an exit for my roller, tray, paint tray, right up next to the carpet. Carefully go along there. Okay, now from here, I can move this back and do the next little section here. There's my exit right onto the carpet. I'll just keep on coming down this way. Wow. But I got another gallon sealer I brought with me. You don't know how much sealer you need. I want to get extra. You can always take it back to the store. You get done. You know, if you have an extra gallon left or something, don't try to penny pinch and get right down to the ounce and try to thin out your sealer or something like that because you don't have enough to finish or something, you know. But in this case, it's working out almost to perfection on how much sealer I used. That's all the sealer I have. I had another gallon, but I don't need to get into it. I can save that for the next project. Oh yeah. Look at that. There it is. That's in real time how long it took me to do that floor. I don't know how long. Less than 10 minutes maybe? Oh, my video says 8:58 and I was yakking all the way and I had to pour the stuff out, so less than 10 minutes. I got this entire kitchen floor done on the second coat. Yeah. You see there? Now I'm going to open up those windows. I'm going to make sure my ceiling fan's on. It's on. Make sure any windows are open. I got those windows open there. The air conditioner. I have the air conditioner on. Now I'm going to turn it to just fan, so it's blowing hot air or the outside air. I don't want I don't want cold air blowing in on here because it's going to take longer for it to dry. Okay, so I don't have to have the air conditioner on anymore. I'm just going to turn it back up to the regular temperature. I'm going to press my mode button over to F. Make sure my fan speed of F1 is low, F2 is medium, F3 is high. There I am. That's blowing out here. And I'll open up those windows and I'll be good to go. Good job. Well, that's all I got for now, but I'll be back with more videos.